Okay, let's start with the company name. So, company name was the second home uh, pet care. Okay, so we try to call it fictional name, and the slogan is um, home for your dog. Okay, so this is what we come up okay on last video. Okay, so second home pet care is the name of company, and home for your dog is our what do you call slogan. Okay, well, now I think I will note down some of what you called why we are focusing or what are the targeted audience. Okay, so daycare job holder. Okay, so and the company size is very small. That's why they are focusing only on daycare. And Okay, so what we discussed on last video is we are focusing on pictorial kind of logo format. So in pictorial, what happen is like we can place a horizontal or vertical. Okay, so there might be a logo, and below that there might be a logo name, or sorry, a company name, or on logo can be on like left side, and on the right side there might be a logo name. So here, like second home pet care is very like we can guess some kind of picture, right? So second is only for like two and second, okay, it's very basic. And the second means like putting one I also a second. So here I'm not doing anything else, just starting from the basic thing so that I can try to figure out what I want. Okay, I'm just giving a basic idea, and for the home, it just I'm creating some kind of small icons. Okay, well, I hope you will understand that I'm not a good what do you call sketch, but at least I'm trying to give a kind of sense so how home look like. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty much, and it's obviously focusing on dog. So that's why what I want to do is I want to like capture the dog. Okay, so and I want to place here. Okay, so for personally, I liked German Shepherd. So what I do is I will take some kind of reference from that dog. Okay, so generally what how looks like I want from this left side. Okay, not from the upper side, not from the like front side, just from this part side. Okay, this side is mouth, this side is like eyes, okay, ear. Okay, and I so this is the how I want to like so I want to outline. Okay, from the left or right side, just so that I can incorporate with two okay or to show like second. Okay, and here I will try some basic reference. Okay, and let me tell you something. So generally we can see dogs are looking down. Okay, I don't want to make this kind of what do you call sense. Okay, so the dog is very sad. Okay, though I'm so sorry, like my picture is very bad. Okay, anyway, I don't want to make it like look dog is looking down. For example, it feels like dog is very sad, okay, and I don't want to make it like dog as a sad. So the dog should look very happy and looking upward, okay. I want to give looking upward and happy, enjoying like even the dog is not with the actual parents. Still, the dog is very happy, like looking upward. Just okay. Here I'm just trying to figure out and giving us kind of sense and trying to build some kind of visuals. Okay, so let's take in a mobile and do some basic research like the dogs, what do you call German Shepherd dog. And I'm so sorry about the like camera quality. I hope you are getting. I'm just typing here German Shepherd dogs. Okay, dogs. Right, dogs. Okay, we already can see. See, this is the picture. So how it should look like the left face. I don't want like top faces. Okay, I just want this kind of left or right profile only. Okay, let's go to the image, and yeah, you can see lots of pictures are here. German Shepherd. I personally like, it's so adorable. I don't know why. So see, you can see the dogs is like on a left or right profile and happy and opening his mouth. Okay, so yeah, generally we can see this is how I want to depict. Okay, I'm trying to like outline the structure, outline the structure of that dog profile, just giving a sense. Okay, so that at least I can make a little bit sense of German Shepherd. Okay, well, I'm trying to some, and I'm trying to like very lightly. I'm what do you call drawing here very lightly. Okay, so that I can erase it and I can come up with like again. Okay, and I can re-sketch. Okay, just it, it's not like coming perfect, or it's not a perfect. And obviously, I'm not that perfect. What do you call skills artist. I'm just here trying to give some a little bit sense of that German Shepherd and how I can like connect my overall icons. Okay. For the logo designing here, I'm just approaching very average and very basic way. Just I'm keeping the pictorial format here. Second is like two and the second. Okay, or I and okay, and home is home, just keeping the home icons and this. So this is how I'm trying to like this the way I'm approaching it, the look of Seaford, and based on that I will try. Let's what do you call, let's watch more, or let's see, we can see the dog is happy, like he's enjoying, isn't it? So I like so much, so like, so among this format is a little bit okay for me, okay, but it's not perfect. Though what I do is I will try to skis, okay, and I will come up. Let's try, okay. The shape, obviously, it's still looking a little bit down, but we can change the portion in like this way. I can tilt, okay, a little bit and make it happy. Yeah, you can see this overall structure, like we can adopt this outline, okay. And what I do is I will create some kind of bold, what do you call the two, okay. So obviously here there is less space, okay, and I will use some bold too. Okay, and on the two, I will try to incorporate the dog. What do you call the shape? Okay, I'm just here trying to figure out. Okay, this is the way that what do you call we can assess. So now what I do is I will speed up my work, and I will come up with some final, not final, the basic skills, and this is pretty much it. Okay, and so what you have to do is you have to try to figure out with the word and try to incorporate how we can you can create a logo, and you can simple make. Okay, so while creating a logo, we have to think like our design principle, simple, okay, and memorable, and versatile. Okay, these are the things. And next is what is next is, okay, adaptability and timeless. Okay, these are the five different logo design principles that we have to understand. So whether two can be simple or not. Okay, so whether it will be simple or not, like I'm trying to incorporate three different symbols, right? So second, home, and dog also. So whether it can be very simple and easy to remember, like memorable or not, versatile or not, like, so these are the things that I have to think. Okay, and yeah, here I will put the what do you call outline version of that dog. Okay, dog shape, simple dog shapes. Okay, in front, and I want to incorporate with it, and so it looks like a very happy and attached with this two. Okay, generally I will try to make something that is that can be a pictorial, so easy to read. Okay, so I'm not here trying to communicate anything. I'm just taking the second and house and okay, applying. Okay, this is how generally what I do is I will sketch. Okay, this is the basic funda for me to create some kind of logo. So yeah, like incorporating two and the outline say. So a basic way. Okay, and what can I do is this is the last portion of that too, right? Okay, so I'm just guessing here. I think I can implement that home. Okay, it's just a basic idea. How, like I need to. I'm trying to like incorporate or adding that home element also into. I'm not sure whether it will look good or not, but I'm just exploring here. Okay, so the logo design person is just you to explore multiple times. Okay, so and try to come up with a bunch of sketches. Okay, try to do some of the live sketches. So see, this is how I try to like before that. Yeah, currently I'm doing one logo. It's still. I'm so sorry. It's still it is not approved. Okay, so here I'm trying bunch of icons and symbols. See, you can see. So how I like come up with this is how like simple. These are the kind of geometrical shape. That's why I'm like doing some very what do you call lots of things. So yeah, the though I'm not a good what do you call a sketch artist, here you can see my sketches. Okay, and this is a Montessori. Okay, when I was in fall, I created and it was approved and they are using it. Obviously, there is a different version. See, so yeah, this is a basic idea and the basic structure. Um, so it's simple like. So the logo is like starting for the CN, okay, simple. And I ended up with these and turn it in a different way. Yeah, this is the last version of logo that I come up with. And starting from simple CN, and I ended up like this way. So this is how I try to play with logos and like paper and pencil, okay, before going to the digital version. And yeah, okay, I'm creating something. So um, I'm creating something. So maybe you will see on later. Well, okay, this logo also I'm creating. Still, it is in progress. Okay, it's not final. Okay, but I'm happy with this kind of format. Let's see what will happen if things goes in digital version, but I'm not sure. But the pencil sketch is good for me. Well, okay, now let's come to our logo. This is how I tried. Okay, this is the basic thing, and I'm trying to incorporate a home and a second or a two word, two and a dog. So, and up to now, I'm focusing on only these features. Okay, I'm not thinking anything else. Okay, so that doesn't mean this should be exactly the same, but for now, I'm not thinking anything else, and I will try to make some more sketches, and um, I will come up with that and I will share. So okay, so yeah, basically these are the things, and well, thank you for this video and see you on next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.